Changing the image size in Wix is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website. To begin, log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor where your website is located. Next, select the image you want to resize by clicking on it. Once selected, a toolbar will appear above the image with various editing options. Click on the resize icon, which looks like a small square with arrows on the sides. This will open the image settings panel where you can adjust the image size. You can choose from predefined sizes such as small, medium, or large, or enter a custom size by typing in the exact pixel dimensions. It is essential to consider the aspect ratio of the image when resizing to avoid distortion. Wix provides an option to maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring the image remains proportionate. After setting the desired size, click Apply to save the changes. The image will be resized accordingly, and you can preview how it looks on your website. Best practices for resizing images in Wix include using high-quality images, optimizing image file size for faster loading times, and ensuring the resized image is clear and not pixelated. Additionally, consider using Wix's built-in image editing tools to further enhance the image, such as adjusting brightness, contrast, or applying filters. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively change the image size in Wix and create a visually appealing website that engages your audience. Remember to always preview your website on different devices to ensure the resized image looks great on various screen sizes and resolutions. In conclusion, changing image size in Wix is a simple yet powerful way to customize your website's design and improve user experience. With these easy-to-follow steps and best practices, you can take your website to the next level and make it stand out from the crowd.